Hello and welcome to my review of the Nothing phone. This is a very interesting phone and let's just get into it. First off, it weighs about 194 kilograms, so somewhat heavy, not too heavy. It's quite a big phone. It has a aluminium frame and Gorilla Glass. So around it there's aluminium and the glass is Gorilla. I thought it was plastic on the back, but perhaps it isn't plastic. It might be glass. You can also get dual SIM, so you can have two phone numbers in one phone. And you get these LED lights on the back for notifications and when you charge a phone and etc. And this is a very interesting feature because we basically have not seen this type of thing in phones. And it also has IP53 rating. So it's not IP68, it's 53. You can see that they have gone down a little bit on the rating there, but it is resistant, or it is, yeah, it can handle water and dust well, so that is the bottom line there. And it has an OLED display with 500 nits with 700 nits peak brightness. The display is not very bright compared to competitors. If we compare it to my iPhone here, we can see that it's much brighter on the iPhone and this is not peak brightness. So it has some work there, but yeah, you can see everything on the display fine, so it's not a problem. And the display, it's 6.55 inches with 402 pixels per inch. So it is sharp, you don't have to worry about that. And it also comes with Android 12 with the Nothing OS. So sort of a new system there, but it is the same Android that we are used to, so nothing to worry about there. Also it has the Snapdragon 778G. So also in the processor we can see that they have gone down just to push down the price. I don't think most people will notice the performance difference, so I mean, it's fine in my opinion. And this model has 256 gigabytes and 8 gigabytes of RAM. You can also get 128 gigabytes with 8 gigabytes of RAM, or 256 gigabytes with 12 gigabytes of RAM. And when it comes to the camera, you get a 50 megapixel wide, which has a 24mm lens. And you also get a 50 megapixel ultra wide lens, which is 0.64 micrometers. And the selfie camera, it's 16 megapixels. And you can record at 4K at 30 FPS. And the quality, I guess it's fine for this type of price. And the speakers, there are stereo speakers. When I did my unboxing video, I thought it was mono speakers, but it is stereo speakers, and the speakers, they aren't very good. So there's also something you have to be aware of. But it also, yeah, with this price, you have to give some and get some, and the speakers, they're not that good, but they work. And you also get fingerprint sensor under the screen. Most Android phones have this feature these days, and yeah, it works just fine. And you charge it with USB Type-C, so also standard there, no problems. And the battery, it is a 4500 milliamp battery, so it will last you all day. It's a good battery. And the price, it is around $530 US. So this is a cheap phone, and just because of the price and all these features, which are very good, I believe this is a possible flagship killer. It has sort of taken the spot of the OnePlus. OnePlus has gone from a flagship killer to a flagship, and this phone, it has pushed the price down. You see on the speakers, the processor, and yeah, for example, the IP53 rating, you get there are some features that are a little bit less than the flagship, but overall, when you look at basically the other all-around performance, it is really good and it is a potential flagship killer. In my opinion, it is not as good as the iPhone, but for the price you're paying, it is definitely worth its money. So I would say this is a contender, but if I would choose an Android phone, this would definitely be interesting in my opinion. So this was my review of the Nothing phone. I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.